Ready to tap into the booming e-commerce market of Saudi Arabia? Let's launch your Shopify store in the kingdom in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and give your store a name, something catchy and relevant to your brand. Don't worry, you can change it later. Next, snag a domain name. This is your store's address on the internet. Shopify offers domain registration, or you can use a third-party registrar. Consider a .com or .ca domain extension for local relevance. Now, let's get paid. Integrating suitable payment gateways is crucial. Shopify supports major credit cards, but for Saudi Arabia, consider adding MADO, a popular local debit card network, and mobile payment options like Apple Pay or STC Pay. Check Shopify's App Store for available integrations. Almost there. It's essential to familiarize yourself with Saudi Arabia's e-commerce regulations. Pay close attention to tax laws and consumer protection policies to ensure your store operates legally and ethically. You can find useful information on government websites and from legal professionals specializing in e-commerce in Saudi Arabia. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching a successful Shopify store in Saudi Arabia. Remember to tailor your products and marketing to the local market and provide excellent customer service. Good luck and happy selling!